What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to Phones and Drones. So, a lot of you guys loved our first look and hands-on with Anker's new power bank for this year that they unveiled at CES. That's 125 watts, that built-in rechargeable cord and all that, as well as the lanyard loop that is also a USB-C plug, plus the other two input ports or output as well. And I have another one for you guys today, in addition to Anker's new theming this year, and that's streamlined and good looks. So, today we have Anker MagGo Power Bank Slim. There's two versions of this. This is the 5,000 milliamp hour battery. There's also a 10,000 milliamp hour battery. Again, that both are called Slim. This is a new theming that they have here, unlike their other past years that were the MagGos and all that, or just wireless chargers in general that use the MagSafe charging rings. This is a 5,000 milliamp hour battery, but it is definitely a little thicker than what you're getting here. And then definitely what's going to be a lot slimmer than this big baby here, which is 10,000 milliamps with a kickstand. So you can see just how different these are in size as it is. This is supposed to blow those away. So as you can see here, these do come in an assortment of colors. I'll throw the links up for all these down below if you're interested. We greatly appreciate you using those affiliate links. It really does help out the channel. And if you do appreciate liking these videos on power banks and portable chargers, leave a thumbs up so we know you guys are interested and we'll make more of these videos in the future. But for this one, they do come in an assortment of different colors as Anker typically does. Again, this is Qi 2 certified compatibility, 5,000 milliamps, and you can see right on the side here just how thin this baby is supposed to be. Same for the back and all that, nothing else interesting. For this packaging, we'll go ahead and tear these off and slide open the battery or the case, as we traditionally do. And here it is. I know I love having a spare battery with us at all times, simply just for the fact that it's nice to have the backup power. Take a look at this. This is amazingly thin. You do have your LED indicators on the side there, you have your power button, and then obviously your USB-C charging port. But the big call out, like I said, and that's what I want to show you here, look at the difference in thickness from the Slim to the other 10,000 milliamp, and then to compare apples to apples, the Slim to the actual 5,000 milliamp equivalent that Anker does sell. Granted, you do have that little kickstand on this as well. If you want to peel back, you do have that option. You do not have that in this one, but I like the savings for space that you're getting with something like this, and I really do like these colorways also. Now, the beauty of this, especially being Qi 2 certified, not only can you obviously use this on your iPhone, as simple as that, and you can see just how thin it is when it's actually attached. You saw it already kicked in charging, but obviously you can use it on your Pixel or any other Android device, Samsung, that you might have a case for with magnets like this one, and it works the exact same way. You can see it pulled up 100% charging, it's already charged, so nothing else is going to happen with that. But look, even with a case on, just how slim this is. This thing looks really good. Came about 75% charged. Unfortunately, again, no display on this. If that's something you're looking for, you'll need a little different power bank, but I actually really do like this. Since it is Qi 2 certified, you are getting 15 watts or 30 watts, depending on what device you're using for wireless charging. It's just going to depend really on that. But also in the packaging here, you'll probably just have your charging cable, and it is a nice braided cable at least that it comes with, and your regular reading materials. Nothing else really for it here. So yeah, pretty cool, very slim. You can easily put this in your pocket and not have to worry about it in a pinch. 5,000 milliamps is no joke. You should be able to get a full charge out of your iPhone as long as this is fully charged. There is power loss, just considering when it's transferring energy from the power bank to the phone. So 5,000 milliamps doesn't mean you're actually getting 5,000 milliamps of charge into another device. Just keep that in mind as well. But yeah, aside from that, what do you guys think about Anker's new 2025 kicks? I really like it. I think this is going to be a hit as well. Again, I'll throw those affiliate links up down below if you're interested. Let us know. Comment down below. Are you picking any up? We'll catch you in the next one. Peace.